Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Python Lover. Now we will create a program to check whether the number is an Armstrong number or not. No, no. Firstly, you need to know what is what is an Armstrong number. So I have written a file. Now look here. An Armstrong number is a number such that the sum of the nth power of its digit is equal to the number itself, where n is the number of the digit in the number. Example, here let us take an 3-digit number x equal to abc. X is an Armstrong if a power cube plus b power cube plus c power cube equal to the number we have taken. Now we know that 153 is an Armstrong number, so let us check. 1 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube equals to 1 plus 125 plus 27 equals to 153. So 153 is an Armstrong number. Now we will create a program in Python. So we will open it. Now we will work on script mode. So let's open it and open it. Let's start our program. Hashtag web to check to whether the number is Armstrong or not. So let us start. Num equal to int for integer input in order to generate input. Enter for 3-digit number we have add one more. Sum equal to 0 and temp equal to num. Temp equal to num. Now we will add loop while temp is greater than 0. The loop will work when the temp is greater than 0. Digit equal to temp mod 10. Temp mod 10 and sum plus equal to digit power 3. Now here we have taken a 3-digit number, so we are applying here 3. Now to 10 divided by equal to 10. Now this will give us remainder. Now we will compare. If num equals to sum, then print num is an Armstrong number. Else our program should return print num is not an Armstrong number. So we have created a program. Now we will run it. Now first we will save it as Armstrong number .py. We will save. Now we will check whether our program is giving us a true response or not. Now we will enter 123. We know that 123 is not an Armstrong number, so let's check. Now our program is telling that 123 is not an Armstrong number. Now we will check it again. Now we will run. Now we know that 153 is an Armstrong number, so let us check whether our program tells us true or not. Now it is showing us that 153 is an Armstrong number, so our program ends here. Thank you for watching.